on, pare. Since we're in the port na, why don't we make some benta the map?
Yeah, dude! Why not, man?
O, tara, let's go.
Let's go!
Teka to natin, guys. I saw the map. Open up the map. I saw the map.
Yeah! Man, what? Offer, man?
Hey, you want a map?
Sure. Giving the dog.
Sure, just for you.
Thank you.
Max, everybody!
Back lang. Oh, we're halfway, dude.
Where? I don't know, maybe somewhere over this one.
Uy, pare, Starbucks!
Yeah, you wanna make benta over there?
Some kind of a good idea, why don't we make beta over here?
Oh.
Max, everyone!
Not everyone. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hold on, guys.
Isang beta!
Go. Ma'am? Sir. Our job here is done. Let's go.
Right!
Cool, man. Right. Guys, pag naka-max ka, cool ka. Handsome. So cool, pare.
So cool, thank you! Pare, ang cool talaga dito sa High Street. Pare, wait a minute. I'm tired na eh. May max pa ba dyan?
Wala na, pero okay lang. Madami namang naging cool sa max. Let's go.
Right!